Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2009 Yamaha V Star 950 Tour. This factory touring machine has just under 9,800 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Front tire on this bike, good shape. Looks like there's plenty of life left in that. This comes with a factory clear windscreen, footboards for the driver, leather clad saddlebags, and a passenger backrest, all factory installed. The one aftermarket item that's been added to this is the driver's backrest. Rear tire, so-so. Might have a little life left in it, but it's one of those that probably should be replaced fairly quickly. Yeah, that's pretty thin right here. So, and again, leather-clad saddlebags. This one's got a little damage on it from the light tip over on the left-hand side. And again, footboards for the driver with the heel-toe shifter. And we've got a little bit of damage on the edge of the tank there, and the lever from the tip over. So, minor though. Alright. 9744 is what's on it. This 2009 Yamaha V Star 950 Tour will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.